Okay, I'm doing this video of a live lightning strike radar, and this is my computer showing it, and it's super cool. All those ticking noises are every lightning strike happening in this area shown. I'm gonna zoom into Florida right now and show you the ones there. And if you the more you zoom in, you can see the rings coming off of them. Those are the sound waves of the thunder, which is really cool. So, yeah, every lightning strike that's happening, every tick you hear is one happening live, and then, yeah. And it shows the radar also. So, yeah, if I was like right here, and the ring hits where the arrow is, and that's where my location is, that's when I'd hear the thunder. So yeah, it's really cool to see. A lot of strikes and stuff happening over here. There's a bunch happening over here too. So yeah, there's a bunch. So people who are living over here where it's populated, let's see, right there, over here, could probably hear thunder just a little bit, especially right here, but because those sound waves are going, the strikes are here, but they're going all the way over here, which is cool. Yeah, that works. And then there's more lightning strikes happening over here. And then I think there's a bunch happening over here too. It's fun to watch. But when you zoom out, you can show a lot of stuff, but when you zoom out, it doesn't show like the sound waves because it's just too zoomed out. This is like pretty much all the world. It says 500, over 550 are happening per minute, so that's cool. Interesting how that works. It's going up. Now it's saying 600 per minute. Every tick you hear is a strike happening right now, so it's really cool. It's saying over 700 lightning strikes per minute. That's a lot. Any of these squares here, within that square, for example, there's no lightning strike, so it has a 0 right there. I don't know how blurry there it is. But see this square, it says there's 1,539 lightning strikes. And then in that square, it's just like the squares are kind of like just a measurement of how many lightning strikes in that area. But you zoom in, they get smaller. So now there's 247 in this area right here, and then 293 in this area. And I don't think they're live, I think they're just in the last hour. But you could like change it to go in the last 24 hours. Over here it shows it's like, oops, hold on. I can't tell, but it's a big number, that's for sure. And I'll let's see here. Click this, and I could do like the last 24 hours, and all of that shows up. All those blues and purples and reds and stuff are older ones, probably in the last 24 hours. So, and we got a storm last night where I live, and lightning struck pretty close to where I live. It's not shown on here, but lightning struck here, and I'm like right here, and it's pretty loud. So, yeah. There's a lot of lightning strikes yesterday, and but mostly over here is where they get spoiled with lightning strikes. Oh yeah, that's in the last 24 hours is a lot. It's too bad they're so dangerous. They're so fun to watch. So it's sad that they're just dangerous and scary because they're so cool. But yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna go and zoom out again and go just to 1 hour. In the last hour it should show. A lot of lightning strikes happening. I guess there's already some storms happening in Idaho and Wyoming and all that stuff. So, but even in Arizona and New Mexico. I didn't realize that. But yeah, mostly just in the east and the southeast and stuff. In Florida, getting a lot of storms. I missed the Florida thunderstorms. They were super cool when I lived there. I lived like around here somewhere. But anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video.